Hi everyone, this is Alicia from Baby Bonding, and today I'd like to talk to you about paced bottle feeding. So lots of parents and lots of grandparents and caregivers bottle feed for various reasons, and today we're going to talk about the difference between traditional bottle feeding and paced feeding. So traditionally we're taught to lay our babies down, okay, and hold the bottle upright like this so that they don't get any air. That's a big concern I hear from caregivers. But watch what happens when we hold this bottle upright, okay? See how the liquid is dripping out of the bottle? See, we're using tea today because I ran out of milk, but you can watch it dripping quite quickly. If we compress it like your baby will do, see how fast the tea flows today, okay? Holding the bottle upright this way is the equivalent to squirting milk down your baby's throat. And they will really struggle with that because they can't breathe at the same time. They need to do breathing and swallowing separately. In order to facilitate that, we recommend paced feeding. Paced feeding is when we hold the bottle horizontally and allow your baby to control the milk flow. Sit your baby upright, like so. Bring the bottle to their lips and let them seek for it. And they will automatically bring the bottle into their mouth on their own. So when they're sore, they'll get their mouth here and they'll vacuum it in. You won't need to push the bottle in, they'll actually draw it in themselves. Let your baby have a few short sucks, much like this. This prepares your baby's mouth and muscles for swallowing so that they're not overwhelmed by fast milk flow to begin with. Let them have a few short sucks, and then if needed, you can tip the bottle just slightly. See how small this movement is, just here, okay? See how small that change is? And this means that your baby can now control this flow. So they can press it and suck the milk out like on a straw. Let them have half the bottle, then give them a break. Burp them, change their nappy, bring them back and change arms, so that we're having equal muscle strength and development. And if you're breastfeeding, keeping the bottle feeding routine as similar to the breastfeeding routine as possible to avoid confusion for baby. Then again, bring the bottle to their lips, let them draw it in, let them have a few short sucks, and then tip up if needed, just a little bit, so that you can hear your baby swallowing. Then give them a break. Noise on the bottle is bad, so it's normal to hear your baby If you can hear your baby goom, 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 they can't breathe. They need a break, so give them a break. Let them have a breather, and before they're ready to start again, they can catch their breath. They'll tell you when they're ready by doing these little sucks, and then you can let them have some more milk. Giving a full bottle should take a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes of feeding. So if you give your baby half the bottle, then change them and burp them, and then give the other half, a whole bottle feed might take around half an hour. That's okay. It allows your baby to actually have a full meal over time so that they can decide when they've had enough or if they need more. If you have any questions, any concerns, if you need help with any breastfeeding or bottle feeding issues, give me a call or hit me up on Instagram, Ask Baby Bonding. Thanks very much for watching.